Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this equation where 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 5, or taking this x to right side we will get 2 to the power x is equal to 5 minus x, or changing side we can write here 5 minus x is equal to 2 to the power x, or now divided both side by 2 to the power x we can write here 5 minus x over 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x over 2 to the power x. We know 1 over a is equal to a inverse 1, so we can write here 5 minus x times 2 inverse x is equal to 2 over 2 to the power x over 2 to the power x is 1, or now multiplying both sides by 2 to the power 5 we can write here 5 minus x times 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power negative x is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 5, or 5 minus x times, we know a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, so we can write here 2 to the power 5 minus x is equal to 1 times 2 to the 5, that means 32, or we know e to the power ln of a is equal to a, so we can write here 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x is equal to 32, or now multiplying both sides by ln of 2 we can write here ln of 2 times 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x is equal to ln of 2 times 32, or now taking Lambert-W function both sides we can write here w of ln of 2 times 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2, or now we know w of a times e to the power a is equal to a, so we can write here ln of 2 times 5 minus x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2, or now divided both sides by ln of 2 we will get 5 minus x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2 over ln of 2, or now this 5 take to right side we will get negative x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2 over ln of 2 minus 5. Now multiplying both sides by negative 1 we will get x is equal to 5 minus w of 32 times ln of 2 over ln of 2, and here we can use calculator. So the approximate value of x is 1.716. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.